Oh, I forgot something. I got the breakdown of what we spent up in Boone, North Carolina at the three Goodwills. There's two up there, and then we hit the one in North Wilkesboro. Where is it, Wilkesboro? You tell me. So here it is. We spent $118. McDonald's was $18.34. Olive Garden, we got 12 breadsticks for $7.27 to go. Yeah, the mileage there, round trip, 156 miles, and I spent $23.40 in gas. So we did get a bunch of t-shirts. We didn't just get the stuff I showed you on the haul video on Monday. Here's one t-shirt, Ariat something, I don't know. And she got a Post Malone Charlotte concert tee that's selling for $100 to $120. And she's washed them and cleaned them. I got a bunch of cool shirts that you'll be seeing me wear this week in the video. I'm not going to wear none of my old shirts. That's the way I am, though, about clothes. I just don't care, and I throw on whatever I got, you know. But I got some cool ones. I think y'all will like them, for real. But, and we got some personal stuff. She got some pants and a shirt, you know, different items. Here, you can see the office, get a little tour here on this short video. Oh, we'll go up high. Oh, got windows up in here. Wow, slow down now. Slow down. And there's a ton of board games over at the warehouse. There's what we bought. Then I'm going to list on eBay, you know. The truck is so cool. I'm going to give those to a friend for their dogs. Yeah, the football player rides on the dog's back. Very comical. There's the old heat pump. The bird. Oh, there's some more stuff up there. Okay. That's some sealed VHS right there that's never going to sell. Bunch of good stuff. Gotta have a TV, right? Backup fan to throw the heat or the air our way on low. Workstation. Stuff to put over at the desk. Gotta have flashlights, you know. There's some golf clubs I'm never going to sell. Drivers and whatnot. Oh, I got a whole set taped up there. Imagine that. And the shoe rack. One of them. Yeah. I'm telling you, they work great. Pick those up at Goodwill. Does that say Skechers? Wow, it does. Zebra print? I don't know. Rolling carts. Pretty awesome. You just roll them out of the way. You got boxes of hats and stuff on top. We sell something out of these weekly. More hats. Miscellaneous stuff on that rolling cart. Oh, there's CO, Chad's office floor box. One of them's got vinyl records over here, hiding in the dark. And that's got all types of stuff. There. That doesn't work, and we should have listed it, but, you know, can't do it all. All this is listed on eBay. There's hats in here, stacked in a row to keep their form. Some stuff from 3 years ago, 4 years. Most of this is 4 years old. Filing cabinets, 4 years old. Bubble mailers, well, just a box. Got them in there, little ones, big ones. American Bubble Boy, you gotta have that. It's the best around. Yeah. Priority mailboxes. 10 8.6s, 8.64. The ones we use the most. That's your quarterly free boxes that come with the store. Well, you pay $5. It's $30 and $25 every quarter is free. Here's my new boxes. Yeah, I don't know what they are. Oh, they're 644s for Hot Wheels miscellaneous stuff. There's the wife's 468 for the ink pens, and I've put some Hot Wheels and G.I. Joe one figure or something, down in there. Old school desk. Good. Got storage everywhere. I'm telling you. You always wonder what's under here. Trash can, backup battery, more lights, vinyl records, shoe boxes, record boxes, and the ones that I buy for the board games for about $1.50. 21 12 threes. And I got fragile stickers. Back in there is, labels, tape. Oh, vinyl records. Oh, that's the good ones. And another light. Wow. Oh, there he went. He flew off. There's my bird feeder. Yeah. Okay. Oh, you want to look at the outside of it? I don't know if I can do that. It's too cold out here. Whew. Man. Oh, there's where they pull in from the highway, right there. Yeah, and they pick up the packages right there. Drop them off. Wow. There it is. All right. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.